All right, well, I don't have a truck right now. I don't have any other way of really getting lumber up here, so I guess I have to just haul it up here on my lawnmower. Let's see. So right now, this is what I'm going to be repairing. We're going to go ahead and I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just going to get everything kind of staged and ready and whatnot, but this needs to be repaired pretty fast. We have about 70 chickens we're going to throw in here in a few weeks, so definitely want to get this done. It's going to it's going to be fun, so definitely going to be a good time doing this. I'll probably have to go back and get more wood and stuff like that as well, but yeah, we'll see. Kind of got plans for these somewhere else, so I'll leave them out here for now. All right, so as you can see, that's how I have to get wood up from my house up to the barn. I could probably have them drive right onto the pasture, but right now it's really wet, so I don't want them to get stuck or just ruin, you know, put a bunch of ruts in here. So I'm going to use those 6x6s to fix the bottom down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. Yeah, so right over here along this, and even right here, those need to be replaced. So I'm gonna have to jack up the wall, put another one under there, level it out the best I can, back and forth, and fix it. So I'm gonna be doing that over the next few months. It's not really a giant priority for me. because we have a lot of other things going on. But I'm gonna try to get this, we're making this into a chicken coop right now. We have a bunch of chickens, so I have to fix this one up. So I'm definitely gonna fix this. So it's, you know, the bottom pieces here, put the wall on, put some hardware cloth up, and then we're gonna call that good. But the rest of the barn, the siding and everything, it's gonna take a while for that. We just don't have the time. That's really what it comes down to. It's not even that expensive to reside this. Like, it's like $3 grand, which seems like a lot of money, but in reality it's not. Plus, like, I'm gonna reuse all these boards. So right now this is it's called 105 siding, and what it's used for is just old barns. Now if I was to replace it with the same stuff, it's super expensive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do board and batten, and I'm just gonna go vertical instead of horizontal. I like the vertical look better. It's either that or it's gonna be metal siding, which is also, it's a really good, it's actually cheaper to do metal siding and probably faster and more durable. But I like the look of old barns that are wood, you know, have a little bit of age on them and stuff like that. It looks nice. So right now I'm thankful that I have this lawnmower, because you know, as you can see, those boards aren't heavy. Well, if you like videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. It's fun doing them. I thought it was going to be very timid, you know, I was going to be timid, and it was going to be very hard to do this, but I just ordered a GoPro and a tripod, and now I pretty much take it anytime I go outside. Why not, right? Anyways, go ahead and leave some comments too. I mean, what do you think of this barn? A lot of people, they say, oh, tear it down, tear it down. It's a horrible barn. But I did some history, and I found out this barn was built in the early 1900s. So, you know, this thing's over 100 years old. It's not even in the ground. It's just sitting on top of blocks, and it's still standing, you know, and there's a wall missing, and this wall's not even connected, and it's doing great. So yeah, I can't believe it. All right, let me know.